Hello friends, I'm back. Let's learn English together. Lesson number 11. What are they? What's that? It's a supermarket. What are they? They are tomatoes. Yay, I like tomatoes. Do you like tomatoes? Yes, I do. What are they? They are potatoes. Yeah, I like potatoes. Do you like potatoes? Yes, I do. What are they? They are carrots. I like carrots. Do you like carrots? Yes, I do. What are they? They are onions. I don't like onions. Do you like onions? No, I don't. I don't like onions. They smell bad. What are they? They are biscuits. I like biscuits. Do you like biscuits? Yes, I do. What do you like? I like carrots. What do you like? I like carrots. What do you like? I like tomatoes. I like potatoes. I like beans. I like tomatoes. I like potatoes. I like beans. Thanks for watching, everyone. We'll come again with more exciting videos. Please like my video and subscribe my channel. I love it.